DamnRightIGotKnives here with another knife review. I got Mr. Tim Soet here with me again today. What's up, dude?
Hello.
There he is. Today, we're just gonna get right into things because we're both trying to beat the daylight, and I'm gonna open this thing. So a bit of the story here is we've been recently throwing knives in my backyard. I built a target. We bought several different kinds of throwing knives, and we started trying to throw some axes and basically having a lot of fun filming ourselves, learning how to throw knives. I've thrown knives a few times, but this is the first time that I'm actually making a legitimate effort to learn something about it. And Tim and I are kind of on the same page with that, so we both pretty much suck. And this video, you'll hopefully see us progress and get a little better. This right here is kind of something that was like, we needed to get the coup de grace. We needed something that was gonna be like, all right, these are some real throwing knives. That was the idea. So I started looking around at different makers and throwing knives and understanding some of the concept of the thicknesses and the durability. And so I just started wondering who out there is making them. I started looking on Etsy, and along the way, a couple photos kept catching my eye, and it was this guy, Rob Dellenger. Reached out to him on Etsy, got a response from him. We started talking about his knives, and really nice guy. He has a few videos up on YouTube, and he has a Facebook, and just watching his videos, he seemed like a really chill, nice guy. His reviews are impeccable on Etsy. Everybody seems to be happy. And so far my experience with him has been super cool, collaborative, gone the extra mile for me in this. And thank you, Rob. Let's see what's in the box. Tim's like scooting up his chair to get a good seat. Let's see what the heck is going on here. First of all, we gotta read this. All right, let's see what's up. Thank you very much for purchasing these knives. I personally crafted them from inspiration to the finished work with many careful hours. Really nice. The thing is, he sent me another knife for Soet. So I think I'm gonna try and open the right one really quick. I think it might be this. A feather on it. We kind of worked out a little deal. I'm consigning a couple Robert's things for my shop. Samurai Damascus, and that's a bullet shell in there. And apparently this is some wood out on the island near Florida where he lives. Look at that. It's really highly figured wood. Really nice. And some jimping there.
Wow, the pattern is so subtle and cool on the Damascus. I mean, that's some self-defense.
It sure is. Here, let's look at the sheath that I think goes with that.
That wood is incredible. It feels great.
Look at that. It has his Dellenger. That's amazing. That looks killer. What is this? What? Is this for display? Wow. That is gonna look so cool.
Pretty tight.
Like that in my shop somewhere. Really cool. Let's leave that chilling up here while we do these others.
Yeah, that was cool.
All right, here we go. Okay, these are what I really ordered. And then we worked out some other stuff for the shop. Oh my God.
Deluxe.
Look it. It has DamnRightIGotKnives on it right there. Look at DRIGK. And then it has his logo on the other side. Okay, these are just if you want to put the other paracord wraps on there he's showing you. Now we see what's going on.
I think that's actually, having thrown knives, I think a bright orange lanyard is perfect. Retrieving your knives.
Oh yeah, finding them all around your backyard.
Yeah, because that color is awesome.
I feel like though I don't want them there for the throw, but I'm gonna be curious to try it. All right, that thing is, it's not razor sharp here on the sides at all, but that thing's gonna stick into the wood we're throwing at.
That's
you know, it's
crazy.
not gonna stick sideways, but it's gonna stick.
I think he mentions that is a 1/4 inch stock.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
That feels like I'm gonna learn the no spin on this.
Yeah, I think that.
Apparently this is what they say. You know, you can practice like throwing from one can to the next, apparently, to warm up. Something to this nature, and I'm gonna learn it. You kind of, it's going off your finger sideways and then, so going straight. So releasing sideways, then turning in the air, going straight, sticking into your target. Dunk. Donk. How cool is this? I wonder if he gets these feathers like on the beach near him. I bet you.
I don't know. They look a little like seagulls.
Yeah, I bet you he does. Maybe he'll tell me.
Anyway?
Florida. You can find him. He's on Etsy and Facebook, and you know, you can, if you want a knife, you can find him. And I'll tag everything down below in my descriptions. Yeah, here's the black, set 2. So, and then again, these have, there it is, DRIGK, and then
oh, there it is,
his logo.
I see, he did like some crazy wear on this.
Yeah, this is forged, so out of the forge like this, without any polish. I like that look better.
I like that too, with this kind of weight behind that point, it will go in. 2
knife sets. I'm selling one in my shop, and I'm keeping one for myself. And they come with a sheath. Here's this. I'm gonna open these. I'm gonna keep all these feathers, so if people buy it, they're gonna be getting things back. Very similar to this. These are girthy pieces of, and the leather is not thin, chintzy stuff. This is like really good leather. You can really tell that he didn't go like cheap. This is really made well. You wear this on your belt and then you wrap this around your leg, and it keeps your knives always in that same position where you know where they're at. And it says DRIGK on there, stamped in there. All right. Ooh.
Different color.
There's dark brown in there, almost black. He asked me, what kind of color do you want the sheath? And I said, so dark it's almost black. And it says DRIGK. This one's mine. Really nice. I didn't specify on this one, and I just let him do his thing. And he probably wanted to show me 2 different options, which this is absolutely beautiful too.
Looks great.
Yeah. I've been drinking this Mind Haze IPA Firestone. Yeah, I'm gonna crack into another one of those. We've been listening to this record here. This right here comes with a booklet. It's called Songs of the Cambodian Liberation. Really great. I love Cambodian music. And this is a good one. The writing is really cool. Check this out if you can ever. Yeah, it's that. So, more of these. There's one for each. The Arrowhead Instinctive. This goes here. So cool, dude. I'm so excited. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep these stored for my shop. One of a kind like that. Maybe what's cool about the lanyard too is you can grab them really easy as you pull them out. So I'm gonna put these away for now. This I'm selling as well in my shop.
What is he calling that one?
Samurai Damascus. So we're gonna take these outside and throw these and have some fun. We need to get outside before the light gets away from us and it gets dark. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching this unboxing part of the video. Thanks to Robert, Tim, let's do this. Yeah. Right there.
That looks pretty sweet.
Fairies look.
Yeah.
All right, trying out the Dellenger DamnRightIGotKnives Instinctive design by Rob. I'm trying the first throw on them.
He wasn't lying. It makes a nice, satisfying thunk.
tip.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I threw it
Oh,
crazy.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all right. I'll sharpen that down. It'll get different. Getting Tim throwing the Dellengers for the first time, the Instinctive. Go for it, buddy. Oh, triple stick. Yeah, you got all three to stick. Awesome.